Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been quite a while since I have filmed anything because I had backup videos while I was doing some vacationing with my family. That video is already up and I will link it in this video up in the cards up here. But it is my monthly Boxycharm unboxing, so this would be, yeah, August. So we're just going to get right on into this, and this one is my base one. I did take a little bit of a sneak peek in here, and neither of these boxes are that great, but either which way, I'm going to show you what I got. So it is saying Dusk Till Dawn. Very pretty. It's a fallish color theme going on here. I don't know. But we have our first thing is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Cream. This is a good thing to have in here. I love Glow Recipe. It is $42. This is the packaging there. Let's open up the box and take a cute. Oh, he's so cute. He's a little cute guy. He's just green. I love the pink Glow Recipe moisturizers and the what is it? I think they have a primer thing. I like that. It actually looks great under makeup. Like I said, $42. Good to have. Next we have Alley Oop Stack the Odds. I don't do creams, but it was really nothing much to pick from this month. I felt even the stuff that was like, you know, out of stock, it was no longer available to choose from. That wasn't even that great for me to choose. So anywho, and it is the shade. What is the shade? The shade is called Sassy Pants. So, you know, whatever. So the top we have here looks like it is the highlighter. Then we have the blush. They're very pretty. And then we have, if I can get it to open, we have the bronzer. I mean, I'll give it a go. I mean, I don't know how. I've never done cream bronzers. I have used a cream blush, and it was the e.l.f. one, and oh my god, because it actually is a cream, but after it goes on, it's like a powder, and it's very pigmented, and I used it for my family vacation that I just went on. So, and I have multiple multiple blushes that I took with me, but that was the only one I used because I actually loved it that much. So I'll give this a try. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I think I even have a Stack the Odds thing from them. I think it's an eyeshadow. But, I mean, I don't know. Anywho, that was $38. Next, we have here Galactic Metallic Eye Sparkle Shadow, which I can already tell you that's a no-go for me. I don't know what the hell that is. That's not it. Everything is just all over in here. I think this is it here. Yep. And, oh, I just threw that at you. Ah, so sorry, guys. Squeaky bed. There's the packaging right there. And it is in the shade. I have no clue. Is it a shade in here? I don't see a shade on the outer box whatsoever. Anyway, it is $20 for this thing. It's just basically a velvety and easily blendable metallic is basically what this is. The shade is in Glam. And it's a bronzy color. Swatch this thing. I mean, I don't really like liquid eyeshadows. It is pretty though. It really is stinking pretty. Like, rubbing it in here. I mean, it disappears when you rub it in, but still has a little bit of, you probably can't even tell. It's like still a little sparkly right there. I mean, it's nice. I probably would use it. I'm never going to say never, because you just, who knows. I never ever thought I was going to use a cream blush, and I did. So, keep that. Let's see, we have Queen. It's Qveen Studio. It is Bow Down Brow Glue. It's $16, and it's just a basic, I think it's just clear. So, and it's a new launch. I'm going to open it up. It's the packaging for that. That's the packaging in the box. I don't know what color it is. And it's a clear. Nothing came off. So it's a clear gel. Don't mind having that. Wonderful. Moving on. It's not like, you know, the most fabulous thing that I've received, but good to have. And then we have what? Tenay's Sunset to the Stars lip oil. It's $27. It's brand new to Boxy. And this is the packaging right there. Never heard of it. Like I said, it's brand new. This is a very pretty color. Doesn't even say what it is. And it probably does. And I don't have glasses on. So, and it's upside down. It says Plumera Petals. I actually was able to read that. Hey, how about that? I'm going to swatch this for you guys. This is just the packaging. It's very cute and simple. I like that. We're going to swatch. I mean, it's not really it's a bright pink for me. I don't really do bright pinks like that. I mean, kind of matches my nail polish right there. If anybody's wondering, that's Strawberry Margarita from OPI Dip Powder. It didn't go as well this time for my hands, so I'm going to have to be taking it off this week. And I just did it this Friday, so I'll be taking it off sometime this week so I can redo it before I go away again to the shore. So, like I said, $27, brand new to Boxy, yada, yada, and yada. That's it for the base box. We're going to go on to the premium box. Same thing. It says Dusk Till Dawn. And our first thing we're going to start with is the it's called Ofra Cosmetics Signature Palette Symphony. So let's find where that little sucker is. That's the box right there. Let's see what color. Are we telling me the color? I guess the color was Symphony? I don't know. I have no clue. Just a Signature Palette Symphony, so I guess that's the color. I'm taking it that is the color. And like I said, I've already took a sneak peek. And I actually, oh, you see the setup there, don't you? We're gonna do this, blinding me. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Neutral, you can darken it up for nighttime. I actually really enjoy, I actually really enjoy the colors in this palette. I'm going to swatcheroo that metallic. We're going to find another spot on the hand. I don't know if you can see it right here. You really can't barely see it. You can kind of see it right there. It's very pretty palette. I'm actually really excited about that. I do own, I think, only one other thing from Ofra, and it is a highlighter. That is it. Moving some packaging out of here. What else do we have? Did I tell you how much that was? No, I didn't. That was $34. Next, we have Cat Burke Nutrient C Eye Cream. What is up with this eye cream stuff? Are they saying? No. Cat Burke Nutrient C Eye Cream. Packaging looks like that. I don't know if you guys can see. My ring light, I think, needs to go up higher. Let me do that. Now, okay. I think that looks better. Let's see if it blinds you guys still. Perfect. Alright. And the bottle looks like this. It's very nice and milky looking. I will not be pumping it out. Like I said, I do not want to break any kind of a seal, so that way things like bacteria and stuff don't start growing into them. Oh my god, I gotta get off this lip gloss before I end up rubbing it all over my dress. Packaging is good for something. Okay, I don't want to get it on the dress. You guys and gals know. Alright, $50. Oh no, that says $80. $90. What the hell? Oh, that says $90. $90. Moving on, we have a Lawless Beauty Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. Where is it at? I love Lawless. I love their lip things. I love it. I have one already. I have a feeling it's the same color. It is the same one that I already have. It's the same shade. Boxycharm, what are you doing? I received one already from you guys, same color before. So this is not, if it would have been a different color, it'd been great. But it's actually the same that I already have from a previous Boxycharm. And it just says Clean AF on the side here, if you guys can see. But basically, it's the shade Rosy Outlook. And I already have that color. So, I mean, I'm glad I have it, but it would have been nice to get a different shade. Slightly darker than what this is. But, like I said, this is the color. It's pretty much, it's a light pink from where I'm at here. But when you put it on, it's just clear. So, whatever. Good, good, good. $25. Pretty good. Next, we have Plyo Mono Milk Leave-In Conditioner. And that is in this. Yep. Well, why it's in this? Is it glass or something? I never opened this part, obviously. It's plastic, so why was it in this? No idea. But it is a Mono Milk Leave-In Conditioner, and it says coconut milk. Packaging is very pretty. It's like a blushy pink. I gotta smell it. Oh, that's heaven. That is freaking heaven delights. This smells very beachy. That's all I'm gonna say. So that is $24, I believe. Yes, $24. And it is brand new to Boxy. So I wonder, I'm going to do some research on that with their other products that they have. And piece of hair right here is really starting to, woo! It's like in my face. It's starting to, not starting. And do some research on the brand itself and see what's in their products. So we're going to move on to the Alpha H Balancing Cleanser, $36. Also brand new to Boxy. It says Balancing Cleanser with Aloe. It's the packaging right there. And I'm sure it's going to be covered, so I'm not going to be able to smell it. Safety seal, wonderful, good. Don't know what it's going to be. Moving on, we have Transluce Beauty Transluce. Is that how you say it? It is $16, and it's a Forever Brilliant Metallic Liquid Shadow. Another liquid shadow, and this is in the shade Dynamite. Can't get the damn thing open. Let's take it. So it's silver. This is probably a no-go for me. This color. Ew, it's like a bluish silver. Yeah, this one's a no. This will not be going on my eyeballs at all. I don't like shades like that. It's a metallic silver. I mean, after you blend it out, it's not so intense. So maybe if I had like a navy blue eye look, this would look nice. So I'll hold on to it. I swear I have to go through my makeup collection and get rid of stuff that I actually don't even use or I've never touched. So why does my hair feel like it's flopping? But you know what? You all know. I don't care. My hair's all messy. You always will see my hair up. I hate my hair down. And that's all you guys don't care about, that whole hair thing. Except this one little piece that wants to like do something. I don't know what, but tie it around there. But anyway, that is all I have for this Boxycharm unboxing. I say it was a flop for the most part, there was probably a few things. So I'm going to say this. Anything else I really liked? I mean, the 4 things. And maybe this. So maybe 5 things out of everything I'm excited to have or try. I already know what this is about, so I already know I like that. So, I mean, these 5 things I am really looking forward to using. As far as the other stuff, I could have really cared less about getting them in the box. But, like I said, that's all I have for you guys. Let me know what you guys got in your Boxycharms, if you got anything like I did, if you even use any of these products and how do you like them, or if you don't like them, let me know what the reason is. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thumbs this video up, and until I see you all again, have a great day. Thanks.